In this video, we are going to see how to install Java on your Mac OS operating system from scratch. Okay, so I have made a previous video on how to install Java JDK on Windows system. Please go and watch that video. It will be there in the playlist. Please watch this video and watch this video if you are having a Mac OS operating system. So the initial step is to check if Java is there on your system or not. So for that you need to open terminal. Okay, so this is my terminal and I will check Java hyphen version. So Java is not there. So that means we have to install. So the second step is to tell in Google JDK download. So open the Oracle link and go for JDK 17 or anything that you want. Then go to macOS. Then install the DMG installer. No, don't install anything else, but install the DMG installer. ARM64 DMG installer. So it is getting installed. So it is installed. So now we have to double click and open this installer, and you have to double click and you have to check that some pop-up will open up and you have to follow the process. So destination, yes, continue. Installation type 309 MB it will consume, so I'll just install. It is asking for password, so password I have given it, and now it is downloading the Java. So it says that the Java is successfully downloaded in our system. Now we will close it. So it will ask for move to bin. We want to move the JDK 17.0.12 installer to the bin. So yes, I will move to bin. So I will click on the bin. Now it is moved to bin. Now what to do? Now you have to set up your Java environment variable. So for that, in terminal, first of all, you have to check if environment variable is already set or not. So ls-al you have to keep, and there is a file that is .zshrc. So you have to open that file and check. So I will check how to open the ZSHRC file. So this we can do by the help of nano. ZSHRC. Okay, so this file is open now. So this is the command you can use to open this file. And now our path is not set over here. Okay. So now in ChatGPT we will check how to set Java path in Mac OS. So it will give us the steps. So ChatGPT has given us the beautiful steps. So first of all, the step is to find the Java installation path. So the path is this one. I am copying this, and we need to check the Java home. So this is our path: library Java virtual machine JDK 17 .jdk contains home. This is our path. So the next step is set Java home. So we have to use this command over here, and you have to open the .zhsrc and include the Java home path over there. Okay, so for opening the ZSHRC, you should open nano.zshrc. We'll hit enter, and we'll just copy and paste it over here. Our next step is to save it. Okay, so we'll save the file. So it has saved the file. So now we will write source ZSHRC, hit enter. Now we will check it again. Now we will check that our home path is actually set up or not in the ZSHRC. Simple, okay. Nano ZSHRC. So we can see that our path is set. Now we will just exit Control X. Now we will just type Java. We'll clear the terminal and type Java underscore version. It is showing that Java is installed in our system. So in this way, step by step process you can follow to install Java on your macOS system. If you have liked this video and got the value out of it, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch that Windows Java installation video. It will be there in my channel, and like this video and share this video. This will be helpful to some people. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye.